Hey everyone, welcome back to IMH Studio. My name is Nikki. I'm a hair extension specialist here. And a question we get asked a lot is, are tape-in hair extensions good for fine and thin hair? The answer is maybe. Everyone's hair is different, so it really depends on how much weight your natural hair can bear. Tape-ins are sandwiched between a thin sliver of your natural hair. So it's really important that, number one, that you go to a professional that understands tape-ins, how to apply them, and how to apply them to thin or fine hair. So placement is important, as well as how much weight. The next thing is really on you, the aftercare. When you're home with your extensions, making sure you're following the advice of your extension specialist is very important. Not handling them roughly, not styling them a lot. That is actually very critical in the wear time, and also not damaging your natural hair. So if you're interested in having hair extensions and you have fine and thin hair, please come visit us, as we actually specialize in putting extensions in fine and thin hair.